have already discussed the password don'ts, and simply today I am going to talk about very important and interesting stuff. That is going to be the third party password manager tools. Now, different password manager tools I am going to share with you, and these tools are going to be really very helpful to you because these will be helping to manage your passwords. So more than you can say almost seven tools I will be sharing with you. Seven tools I will discuss with you. But yes, you definitely have to give your personal time to these softwares, because then only you will be able to understand more and implement the things in a better way. So simply you have to definitely test and try these softwares by yourself. I am telling you in the initially only I am telling you. I will be discussing about them. I will be telling everything about them. I will be sharing with you the resources, everything we will do. But still, you definitely have to give your personal time to these softwares, which I will share, which I will discuss today. So, simply here you can see these are the third party password manager tools. Three are here in front of you right now. And first is LastPass, then Dashlane, and the One Password. So, let's talk about them one by one. When I talk about the LastPass, so simply it is a password manager application. The standard version of LastPass comes with a web interface, but also includes plugins for various web browsers and the applications for many smartphones. This is the official website of LastPass. You can see on the screen. As I told you, it is web browser based, and it also includes support for the bookmarklets. So simply it is you can say 17 years old company, or you can say simply the tool. It was founded in 2008, and it's simply having multiple features in it. So it was founded in 2008, and simply it includes the password and secure nodes. It is protected by one master password. So the user content in LastPass include passwords and secure nodes, and it is protected by one master password. The content is synchronized to any device the user uses the LastPass software or application or extension. So simply, the information is encrypted with AES 256 encryption with the SHA 256 sorted hashes and the ability to increase password iteration value. So encryption and decryption takes place at the device level. The LastPass has a form filler also that automates password entering and form filling, and supports the password generation also. Site sharing and site logging is also there. Two-factor authentication is also there. LastPass support two-factor authentication via various methods, including the LastPass authentication app for mobile phone as well as for the YubiKey. I will talk about YubiKey also. So here you can see different features and pricing you will be able to find on their website. And I will suggest you that please go through the resources, the website details by yourself, because there are so many features. I can discuss it with you. Definitely, I am discussing. But yes, until and unless you give your personal time to these websites, it's not going to be helpful to you. It is a suggestion that you should simply create two, three dummy IDs. Okay, two, three dummy IDs which you are not using. So with the help of those IDs, you will be able to check these tools. Like I will be sharing you massive amount of tons of tools I will share with you. But you don't have to only cram their names or keep it with you. You just have to try them. You have to test and try those softwares by yourself, and you have to get something out of it in a better way. When you will be checking those softwares by yourself, then only you will be able to understand them more, and you will remember that which software is best for you or others even. So you can suggest others also. You can get it for yourself also. You can use it by yourself also. Their free trials are definitely there. So multi-device password management tool, it is sharing for one person, unlimited password access on all devices, one to many sharing, that is like share password and login credentials with LastPass users you trust for convenient safe account access. Password generator is there, save and autofill, dark web monitoring. Then security dashboard is there. When we talk about dark web monitoring, 24 by 7 monitoring on your accounts against the database of the compromised credentials, and receive intermediate alerts if there is any theft or you can say intruders identified. Security dashboard is there, like access your account password securely and monitor account for data breaches, all from your security dashboard. 1 GB encrypted file storage there, 50 MB is in the free plan, and it goes till 1 GB in the like premium plan. So digitally backup credential like critical documents you want to keep safe, like passport, credit card, insurance card, tax documents, etc., could be kept easily encrypted here. You just upload it, they will keep it encrypted. Passwords vault are also there, so log into your vault without your without your master passwords. So biometrics are also provided in this with the help of UV keys. I will tell about it. Passwordless vault login is there. So many like emergency access is there. One time you can say grant access, one time access to your vault to another last pass user in the event of an emergency or crisis you will get. So I will suggest you that you should try all of these. Actually, all of these you can try. They are free premium versions. Create 2 3 IDs, 2 3 dummy IDs, and try them by yourself. Then only you will be able to learn more. I will definitely come back to these softwares one by one again with you. But before that, I will suggest that give sufficient amount of time to these softwares to get into it. Next one which comes into the picture, that is the dash lane. So when we talk about the dash lane, it is simply a password manager tool, but it is a subscription based password manager, and digital vault application is also available for the Mac OS, like Windows, Android, and for every other, you can say, operating system. So simply this is the official website of the Dashlane in front of you, and simply they are like Dashlane user Dashlane uses a freemium pricing model where you get the free also and premium also model with a subscription plan option. And it was created, or you can say released in 2012, that is 12 years ago. So LastPass came 17 years ago, this came 12 years ago, and it is written in Kotlin for the Android and Swift for the iOS. Different operating system support is present for the Mac OS, Windows, iOS, Android. 12 languages are available. There is a lot of stuff, you can say. It is a digital vault also, password manager also. And it was founded in Paris in 2009, and first release was done in 2012. And it is having like encryption using AES 256. Over time, more features were added, simply multi-factor authentication, automatic form filling, password generation, digital wallet, security breach alert, and virtual private network. So many features like are there. You can just check it. I will suggest you that you should definitely go to the website, go through their details, what is free for you, what is paid for you, compare, contrast, make your notes, create 2 3 IDs, as I said, create 2 3 dummy IDs, and please go through them. That is really very important. It is kind of assignment for you that you should give your personal time to these websites in a proper manner, create your notes, test try them with different IDs, and then tell me that how much you have gone through it and how much you have understood it. So simply you will be able to see like different plans are there, and I will suggest you that please read them all. Whatever is there, go through each link. They are having different resources on each website. Please go through the documentation, compare and contrast. The resources are present here. You can just go through their free webinars and events are there, which you can join to get into it, to understand more about the security concerns, and simply different programs they are providing. I will suggest you that you should give your time to this and other tools which I will share with you, that will be making you better in the applications of the cyber security things. The next one which comes into the picture, that is nothing but the one pass. If you remember one password, simply.com, this website we have gone through once before also. That time overview kind of I gave you through another software. That time it was, my purpose was not to discuss the one password as the password manager tool, but yes, as I told you that time that I will discuss it again, now we are here with it. So this is the official website. On the screen you can see one password is a password manager developed by the Canadian software company Agile Bits. Agile Bits Incorporation is the company, and it supports multiple platforms such as iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. So either you are a Windows user, Apple, or anything, you can just go through it. Android and all, in the phone also it is supported. It provides a place for users to store various passwords, as it is a password manager tool. software licensing, and other sensitive information in a virtual vault, and that is locked with a PBKDF2 guarded master password. So by default, the user's encrypted vault is hosted on Agile Bits server on like for a monthly fee. There is a fee for it. So simply, it was released in 2006, and for the different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, web app, browser extensions, command line interface, SCIM bridge, for all of them, the releases are continuously coming, and simply the stable versions came in 2004, few months ago, 2024, sorry. So simply, you can say, every time it is updating. Few versions are in 2024, some are in 25, like this. So simply, different releases came into the picture with different, you can say, updations, and one password can be configured through onepassword.com. As you can see on the screen, it is a paid subscription based server synchronization service maintained by the developers, and local Wi-Fi and iCloud synchronization were only available on the iOS and Mac OS in the previous versions. But after that, like, everything is present right now. Again, I will say to you that please go through their all plans, all the free trials and all. Just go through it. As I told you, 2 3 IDs you have to create, and then try test these softwares by yourself, and go through their resources, their simply documentation, and the free webinars. Every of them, like each of them, are providing you. Why don't you join them? Why don't you go through it? And then you will be able to learn more, make notes, compare, contrast these softwares. So that will be definitely wonderful for you to learn more about it. So these are the third party softwares, third party password managers, which I have discussed with you, but it's not everything. I am going to discuss three more softwares, three more third party local storage password managers. I am here with you for it. Simply, that is KeyPass, RoboForm, and Password Safe. So simply, these are three more, but these are local storage. As you can see, it's written on the screen. When I talk about the KeyPass, so simply KeyPass, Password Safe, like Safe, is a free and open source password manager, which was primarily used for the Windows, and it's officially supported. It supports the Mac OS and Linux operating system through the monos. And let me show you, this is the official website of the KeyPass, and it is not having much graphics, but it is really very wonderful tool, you can say. And like you can say, additionally, there are several unofficial ports also for Windows phones, Android, iOS, and BlackBerry devices, which normally work with the same copied and shared remote password database. So KeyPass store username, password, and other fields, including free form notes and file attachments. So in an encrypted file, they store it. And this file can be protected by any combination of the master password. So a key file and the current window account details you need. By default, the key pass database is stored on a local file system. Simply, and it was developed in 2003. Okay, and it is written in C sharp and C++. So simply, there are two versions, you can say. KeyPass comes in two different variants. KeyPass has 1.x and KeyPass 2.x. Although the 1.x variant is the former variant, and it is supported identifiably, you can say. 2.x isn't the successor of 1.x, and 1.x isn't dead. Both are there actually. KeyPass 2.x has a different software basis, which is written in C sharp actually. 2.x is written in C sharp, and the 1.x is written in C++. So simply, KeyPass 1.x and 2.x support a number of plugins, although 2.x allow more plugins, and it has password generator, synchronization functions, two-factor authentication, multi-factor. It is 2FA, and has a secure desktop mode also. It can use a two-channel auto type, off functions also, features also, to offer additional protection against keyloggers. And KeyPass can import from over 30 other most commonly used password managers. Okay, so it is really very wonderful software. I will suggest you that please try it by yourself once. It is kind of your assignment, you know. You have to go through it in a proper manner. You have to give some time. It's not one day work. You have to give time. More than week you will need. to go through all these softwares in a proper manner. Then I can come back with the one by one with all of them. That will be best. So next one which is there, that is the RoboForm, and it is again a password manager, which is a class of software that allows users to have secure, unique passwords for every website access. And it is amongst the older password managers on the market, and it is developed by a US company. So it is distributed as a freemium product with subscription plans, and it is also like having free versions also and premium versions also. So that's known as freemium. Here you can see the website is present in front of you. So simply it was like it is 26 years old. It is more than LastPass. LastPass came 17 years ago. It is like 26 years ago. It came in 2000. Oh, sorry, in 1999 it came. So it is available in 30 plus languages, and simply it is very interesting software. Again, I will say that go through it, go through the plans which are present here, test and try these things. So here you can see plans. If you go, free is there. Like here you can see different features are present in the free. Limited features are there, but to try the interface, to try that how it works, you should definitely go through it. Here you can see monitor for compromised passwords, like RoboForm informs you when one of your password has been found in the data breach. And simply 2FA, add a second security step to your RoboForm account with email, SMS, or TOPT. Like OTP authenticator is also there. So simply just to try them, I will say this only to you. Try them, go through them by yourself, give some time, and then you will be able to learn more about it in a better way. You will be able to access them as a practical stuff. After the RoboForm, the next one which comes into the picture, that is the password safe. So password safe is a free and open source password manager. Okay, pwsafe.org is the official website for it. It is here in front of you, you can see, with least graphics, but yes, it is really really interesting software, and it was released in 2002. It is written in C++, and it was released in 2002. And simply it is free and open source password manager program, originally written for the Windows, Microsoft Windows, but supporting a wide array of operating systems like Linux, FreeBSD, Android, iOS, BlackBerry, and other operating systems. Everywhere it is supported. Okay, so you can definitely test and try this one also. This is also having a good amount of documentation and the feature history and all. So you can definitely go through it. It is like a very interesting software which you can download and check. I again told you, you have to create 2, 3 IDs. Try and test these softwares. You can download it from here. Windows version is present. You can see right here. Now, after discussing these like 3 and 3.6 softwares I have talked about till now, LastPass, Dashlane, 1Password, then I talked about the local storage password managers like KeyPass, RoboForm, and Password Safe. I don't think that you have thought about or heard about it before. You tell me that have you heard about these softwares before, or these are new to you? Like, I want to know that is this new? I don't think so that you have heard about them before, because these are very like secret softwares which I am talking about right now. And if you have heard about them before, tell me. You must not have used them. So simply tell me that what is your experience on it. Have you heard about it before or not? And have you used it before or not? I want to know it. Tell me. And simply whatever I have discussed till now, that much is clear or not, because simply this is really very important stuff, very difficult to digest in one go. But yes, I have discussed 6 softwares till now, and one more I will discuss right away with you. That is going to be a third party password manager, True Key. Okay, Ubico. It is like it is really very sophisticated tool, you can say. This is the website of it, truekey.com. So simply TrueKey is simply one software which is having the, you can say, physical device also, and TrueKey is a browser extension also. So two things are there. Ubico I will be discussing further. It is having some link with it. That's why I took its name. But it's free. You can download it. You can see TrueKey is is a browser extension for Windows or Mac OS, and an app is also available in the Android or iOS. that you can download on all your devices to remote the hassle of logging into the websites. And TrueKey does like this by automatically remembering your login details for each website. So you don't have to do that simply. And it is a good tool. You can see this free, it's written here. And the app is also there. Their app is also there. So this much you see. True key, I like Ubico. I will discuss. You can see here it was written somewhere Ubico, but this Ubico like it is powered by Ubico actually password safe. But yes, what is the physical device of Ubico and all that I will discuss with you further, not right now, because that is a complete different stuff. Physical tools also are there. Like in cybersecurity, it's not that you have only the softwares, the physical tools, the hardware tools are also there, which help you for the password managers even and many more. So I hope whatever I've discussed till now that much is clear to you. In case you have any query, please tell me. So I will help you out.